Hello everyone, today I am going to show you what you are going to do once you have done rendering your scene in Lumion. So once you have rendered your scene in Lumion, you can do post-production which will enhance the view and create better detail quality renders. So let me open one of these renders. These are raw renders directly from the Lumion. Let me open it in Photoshop. So this is gonna take a while. Let me skip this part. So here we are, it's open now in this Photoshop. So first of all, select this layer and duplicate it. Duplicate this layer, whatever you name it, and select it on the layer. Now what you're gonna do, you are going to go here into the filters and select a camera raw filter. So it will open this box in front of you. So here there are two options. One is auto and another is manual. Here we are going to discuss about manual. If you don't want to go further, you can stop here, just select auto and then save. So for manual, so in manual adjustment, we are manually going to change the various settings. So the picture looks quite underexposed. I had increased a little bit exposure. So the main setting here is you just increase the shadows and decrease the highlights. The picture is going to look realistic. So once you are done increasing the shadows and decreasing the highlights, go to texture, increase its texture, increase a little bit clarity, increase its saturation if you want. Zoom, let me zoom a bit to see how the render looks. So I'm going to increase the saturation as the picture looks quite undersaturated. So I have increased a lot of saturation. You won't do this. So after that I will open some curves and decrease the red color. So play a bit with these curves. Once you get your better quality, you just select that. Then go to the detail, increase the sharpness, increase noise reduction, go to effects, increase a little bit grain, and that's all. You don't need to do anything else. Press OK and it's done. You can see the change by pressing this icon before and after. So a huge change in the quality of the render. You can now save it, go to the file option and go to export as JPG and save it wherever you want it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it and do share with your friends.